Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yvonne here again. So today we're going to talk about the ordinary, the truth about the ordinary. Now, the ordinary is, it's a big company. They have so many products. It's all over the world and all that. And I have used so many products from the ordinary. Now, I did find some very great, and I did find others, not so good. Okay, I remember I made a video on the ordinary serum with an alpha arbutin and I think vitamin C or something. Alpha arbutin and vitamin C a for a brighter skin, for a clearer skin and all that. And I was honest, I did say, it did not work for me. And I did realize that there were so many people who were saying, oh, it did work for me. It did work for me. I used it for a month and it did work for me and all that. And others were saying, well, it didn't work for me, blah, 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 blah. Now, there is something about the ordinary. As time went on, I did, investigate. I did do my own investigation and some research about the ordinary. Now, the ordinary is a company. They have, so many. You have the ordinary UK, ordinary Italy, you have the ordinary in France, you have the ordinary China, you have the ordinary USA, the ordinary Canada. Now, is one company, obviously, which has some different kind of branches in other parts of the world. Now, depending on which part of the world you find yourself, a product might be a little bit different, even though they use the same standards and concentrations and all that. If you buy a product from the same company and is in a different country, you are going to realize that it's not the same. Okay, it's not really the same. It's not identical, even though it has the same packaging, it has the same name, it has the ingredients and all that. It is going to appear different. You have seen around that with the acid peel, the alpha hydroxy acid and the beta hydroxy acid peel, that little red peel. You realize that the colors are different depending on where you buy them from. If you buy it from the USA, it's going to be a little bit different. The one I bought here in Europe was a little bit darker. I bought one also from the UK and the color was different. The smell was different and the consistency was a little bit different. If you buy it from China, because they have a branch in China too, I think. If you buy it from China, the smell, the color is also different. So even though it is the same, something from the same company, it is not the same people who make it. So you might be in the USA and a product from the ordinary might be so great for you, but another person on the other part of the world is going to find it, not so good. It just depends on where the person finds his or herself, because depending on the rules or the laws of that country, there are some chemicals you can use and there are some chemicals or colors you cannot even use. Even if you follow the same procedure, you are going to get something different because it's not from the same source. It was going to be different if they produce it in one country and distribute it all over the world. Then you are going to say that you're going to get the same results. But in this situation, that is not it. They have given their rights to other countries to produce the same products using the same name, following their combinations and using the same ingredients. But the fact that they are using the same ingredients and using the same procedure and whatever, it does not mean the outcome is going to be identical. Maybe a product from another country is going to work better than the same product from a different country. And talking about the prices too, I did realize that the ordinary from China costs like €4. It costs €4. That is the acid peel, that red liquid peel, and the niacinamide and the zinc did also cost about €3 or €4. There are some of their products which cost about €2 and €3, but the one I bought from Europe cost like €8 and €9 and €12. And I was like, why is that? It's cheaper, even though it's the same ordinary and all that. So after the research, I did understand that of course labor might cost cheaper in China as compared to another country. in Europe or in the USA, and also the ingredients might cost cheaper over there. The process and how easy, you know, they can buy the ingredients. Do they import the ingredients or is it produced over there? If it's produced over there, obviously it's going to cost cheaper. If they have to import the ingredients, it's going to cost more. It's not that some of the products are fake, or the fact that the alpha hydroxy acid and the beta hydroxy acid peel has a different color means it's fake. It's not that it's fake, but it's from another place and they use different, you know, they have different laws guiding what they can use and how much they can use. So it might not look identical to whatever you buy in another country. So that is it about The Ordinary. You might find their products very great, okay, and another person might not find it so great. It just depends on where you find yourself. It might cost more or it might cost even less depending on where you are. So that is it about The Ordinary. I have used three, you know, products from three different countries. I have used one from Italy, I have used from the UK, and one, I think one from Canada or the USA. I am not sure. And I realized that they have, you know, slightly different colors, they have slightly different consistency, and the after feel is different. I must say the niacinamide and the zinc solution I bought in Europe has a different consistency. When I put it on my skin, it has a different feel as compared to the one I bought from the USA or Canada. Yes, it's just different. When I used it, I thought, oh, what is wrong? This looks different. This doesn't feel the same. Is it fake, or, you know, is an imitation or something? But I got to realize that it's made in different places and it can never ever be identical. So that is it. Okay guys, so I hope I did help you. Do you use The Ordinary products? If you do, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. If you want to support this channel, just go to my channel and hit on the blue join button. Now you can select any package you feel very comfortable with to support this channel. And until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.